Good day, sir. I am Shipman Mundela Brillantos. Today I will recite Rule 38 in Colregs. Rule 38. Exemption. Any vessel or class of vessel provided that the compliance with the requirement of the international regulation providing collision at sea 1960, the keep of which of sailed or which it can corresponding stage of construction before the entry into force of this regulation may be exempted to the compliance therewith as follows. Section A. The installation of light with range prescribed in Rule 22 until 4 years after the date of entry in force of the regulation. Section B. The installation of light with color specification as prescribed in Section 7 of Annex 1 to those regulation until 4 years after the date of entry into force of this regulation. Section C. The repositioning of lights as a result of conversion from imperial to metric unit and rounding of measurement figures permanent exemption. Section D and Section 1. The repositioning of masted lights on vessel as less than 150 meters in light resulting from the prescription of Section 3, Section A of Annex 1 to this regulation permanent exemption. Section 2. The repositioning of masted lights on vessel of 150 meters or more than length resulting from the prescription of Section 3, Section A of Annex 1 to those regulation until 9 years after the date of entry force of this regulation of Section A. The repositioning of masted lights resulting from the prescribed of Section 2 to Section V of Annex and this rules regulation until 9 years after due date entry into force of regulation. The repositioning of side light resulting from the prescription of Section 2, Section Z, and Section 3 and Section B of Annex and this regulation until 9 years after the date of entry into force of this regulation. Section G. The requirements for sound signals appliance prescribed in Annex 3 to this regulation until 9 years after the date of entry into force of this regulation. Section 8. The repositioning of all-round light resulting from the prescription of Section 9, Section B of Annex 1 to this regulation permanent exemption.